What's going on, man? Go ahead and put your hands on the steering wheel. Yeah, what's up? What's going on tonight? Hey, get out of the car! Get out of the car! Forward. Stand right there. Just hang out right there for a second. Hey, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Control 1R4. Shots fired. Shots fired.
We slowed that down for you so you can see it's in the circled area. And that's even slower.
Alright, he's 2425 Desert Inn, slow rolling, not stopping for units. Any other units, just come on this channel. We're going to do it all on this channel for now. Crossfire. Units, he is under 40 miles an hour. He's in the CVS parking lot here, DI and Eastern, southeast corner. Let's get him stopped.
CVS parking lot at DI.
Alright, Air 5, we do have a successful pit. Units, watch your crossfire. Watch your crossfire. Let's get him blocked in. Alright, he's going to be in the eastbound lanes. Units are blocking them in now. Crossfire is going to be towards the northeast. We got units towards the southwest of it.
That is the victim's mother's vehicle. You can see there is a gunshot wound in the windshield, right next to the driver's side. And then you can also see there's a gunshot wound to the front passenger side of the vehicle. And that's Officer Ty's patrol vehicle. You could see one of the rounds went through the windshield.